Good day, everyone. We're doing something new today. We got the 360 camera just hooked up to the Mic2 in my helmet, so we're going to try this setup for a little bit and see how it goes. Today we're doing a cold weather ride. Let's see what the temperature is. It is 26 degrees Fahrenheit, so pretty chilly, but no snow today, which is really nice. So thank you for joining me. Just did a cold start on the Suzuki and it fired right up. And again, the primary camera today is going to be the Insta 360x4. And we'll just see how it goes. As far as bike warm-up, the Suzuki doesn't really need any. Just fires right up and goes. I didn't experience any kind of battery drain or anything. And, last night it was 17 degrees, so very cold. Yeah, as you can tell, it's just running perfect. Here's another funny tidbit. The Suzuki is really just the all-weather champ. You can see we got a big sheet of ice right here. Oh, look at these icicles. My original plan was to ride the sport bike today, the yellow Kawasaki ZX6R. And when I walked out to it, the throttle grip was actually completely frozen and it wouldn't rotate. But ironically, the Suzuki was right next to it, and when I walked out to it, it was about 25 degrees, 26 degrees, the throttle was completely free on the Suzuki, so no issue at all. In fact, it hasn't gotten super cold this year. So far the coldest has been 17, and that's Fahrenheit. Last year it got down, the low was 7, so one day it was 7 degrees outside and the Suzuki would not start, and there was a battery related, it would just not turn over. But later that day when I got home from work, it was about 30 degrees and it did fire right up, of course. And yeah, right now, so far, the only part of me that's cold right now is my ears. As funny as that sounds. I have my snow pants on, which are like thermal pants, and then 2 jackets, and 2 gloves, and a helmet. And my ears are cold. I'm sorry if this guy. Oh, God. 5 seconds left on this light. We were gonna make it, and then that car just totally messed around. Oh well. Alright, now it's our turn. As you can see, I think the Suzuki TU250 runs even better in the cold. Who needs a cold air intake when it's 26 degrees? Oh, it's so cold, my visor gets a little fogged up. And today we're just using the, what is it, the Mega Clamp claw mount for the Insta 360, and so far it works pretty good. I've had both. I actually have both. I've had the claw and the U-bolt. And in my opinion, the claw works a little bit better than the U-bolt. I feel like I couldn't get the U-bolt down tight. Whereas this one's no problem. And as you can see, it stays. And then so far I've used it with the Insta 360, I've used it with the GoPro. I've even used it with my video projector. The video projector has the same kind of mount. And it just went on there no problem. Well, we're approaching the end of our ride here. We won't be taking a lunch today, so the next time I see you will be after work.